everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette and today I'm going to show you how to make the lovely chow chow. But before we get started, if anyone out there is new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Now first we will have to chop spring onion. These are three medium-sized carrots, 3 medium-sized bell pepper. So you can see I have cut them long. We will also require French bean, green peas. Now these are half cup. Next for the noodles, over here I am using oatless egg noodles which we have purchased from Asda over here. So if anyone stays in London, you can purchase from here itself. Now this is 100 gram each packet, so I'm going to use 2 packets. So together both will be, I'm using 200 grams of noodles. Next we will keep a big pot on the gas stove, add water, wait for a boil to come. Once it starts boiling, we are going to add in our noodles into it. Stir them well. Also add a tablespoon of oil so that our noodles don't get sticky, and also add salt as per taste. So there goes my oil, and also to add the salt. Now we are going to fry vegetables one by one. So here first I have added carrot. Once the carrot is done, we are going to fry our bell pepper. Please do not forget to add a pinch of salt in all the vegetables when you are frying them. Next, we are going to fry the green peas, French bean and the white part of spring onion. I have also taken 300 grams of prawns and 500 grams of chicken. We are going to marinate these with little salt as per taste, and also little pepper powder. So I am adding half teaspoon in both together, and lastly a little drops of soya sauce into both, and mix them and keep aside. Now once the noodles are done, you need to check they should be 80% done. Then we are going to strain the water out and we are going to pass it through cold water so that our noodles don't get sticky. Once our vegetables are fried, we are going to add the chicken and we are going to allow it to half cook. Once it is half cooked, we are going to add the prawns into it, and now we are going to allow both these to get well cooked. Cover the lid and allow them to get cooked. I have also taken 2 Maggi cubes and mixed them in water. Now once everything is done, it's time for our mixing part. So here I have added 2 tablespoons of butter. And now go on mixing by adding little vegetable and then noodles, your chicken, prawns. In between you also need to add a little soya sauce and your Maggi water that we have prepared. And once your mixing is done, our chow chow is all ready. If you want, you can also add egg into it. And there you have, my friends, our chow chow is all ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you all are going to try the recipe and let me know in the comment section how well it turned out. Till then, I'm going to catch you next Sunday with yet another recipe of mine. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Bye bye.